Hi friends, welcome to Khan's Explore. Faith can move mountains. After watching this video, you will truly believe in this. So today we are going to talk about Sri Kodanda Swami Temple, Ijipura, Bengaluru. So you might be wondering what's special in it. You can see the sculpture here, the statue here. It's Lord Vishnu. So this is the temple, Sri Kodanda Ramaswamy Temple in Ijipura, Bengaluru. Let us enter the temple. This is the entrance of the temple. So once you enter, you can see a huge monolith rock. The work is going on. You can see the sculpture sculpting it. So this statue is going to be Mahavishnu's Vishwarupa Darisanam. So I'll show you the picture of this, how it's going to look. So this is how is Vishwarupa Darshanam. In Mahabharatam, Sri Krishna gave this darshanam to Arjuna. Now why this rock is here? So I'm going to tell you. There is a doctor, a government doctor, Sadananda. So his father only built this temple, Sri Kodanda Ramaswamy Temple. So he said there is no unity among Hindus because we believe in different gods. So he decided to build a statue wherein all the Hindu gods are engraved on the body of the Lord. So to build that, he needed a huge rock. So what they did, they used the satellite and found a huge rock in India. Then they found this rock where, in Tiruvannamalai district, Tamil Nadu, Vandavasi Taluk, Korakotai village. So in 2014, they found this rock. So till 2017, the work was done. So only they made face, hand, Shanku and Chakra. So from there, they have to transport it to this Ijipura, Bengaluru temple. So to transport it, they had so many problems. They hired export company in Mumbai, the Reshma Singh groups. They used 3 high capacity Volvo engine which has and the vehicles which has 240 wheels. So on the way while traveling, they have to demolish so many houses, electric poles, they have to build bridges and they have to compensate all this. So in spite of all these problems, the statue was carried. You can see here the vehicle which has 240 wheels. They are building ramps everywhere they're needed. You can see the rock which is 20 tons. They carved only the face and the Shanko and Chakra, the hands. You can see people running all over to have just a glimpse of the Lord. It has traveled almost like 4 districts and 2 states. You can see how narrow the roads are, but still faith can move mountains. Now finally it has reached the temple. In 2019 May, the Lord is resting in this temple. So here you can see still the sculpting work is going on. This is the head part of the Lord. This is 64 feet high and 25 feet wide. It has 10 avatars of God. You can see the faces, they are sculpting it. So the sculptures are from Tirupati. Still the work is going on. but still I feel we are all blessed to have this glimpse of Lord. And it is a single rock. This rock is 250 crores years old. It's a very rare rock. This is the model of the temple. This is how it's going to be. This is the front view of the temple. You can see the idol there. That is going to be this huge sculpted rock. So they're going to place it here. I will zoom it and show you. So this is the Maha Vishwarupa Darshanam of Lord Vishnu. You can see the 10 avatars. So still the work is going on. So if you have any chance to get to Bangalore, please come and visit this temple. May the God bless you all. Thank you.